Okay, as you can see by the registration number, we're working on a piece of shit. Show the registration number. Someone done an alternator 3 months ago. And it's faulty. So, I'll do it. You just drive in your broken piece of crap. Leave me to fucking fix it. While you swan off in my brand new 60 plate cab. I don't mind. I'll fucking do it. Don't worry about me. I'll do it. I'll be fine, deal boy. You just fuck off out and enjoy yourself. I'll do your fucking shit work for you. Fucking using all my diesel. Leave me working on that. Look. Wanker. Dodgy.
Job.
Yeah. Spoken like a true mechanic. Because I certainly ain't. When I find his spanners that he's probably fucking half nicked anyway. When you're watching this video, Ken, I'm wondering what's wrong with your motor. Might open something and let you suck some squirt in, suck some air in, and you break down and you wonder what it is. Probably my fault. Probably. Ring me later, my phone will be off. Leave me a message with Dan, I've broke down. Yeah, I know. One good tongue deserves another, mate. It's alright, I'll do it, Ken. You go out and swan around. I'll work on your motor, mate. I'll do your TX2 piece of crap alternator. Don't worry about me, Del boy. I'll sit under here with your leaky steering box. Typical mechanic. You're all watching this thinking to yourself, he's going to hit his head on that in a minute. Probably.
Yeah, more likely.
Probably. Don't worry, he's got an accountant Newham General now. It's only a little bit of Ken's fluid.
Giggity.
Not the first time that's happened. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. See, this takes well in excess of 2 hours, Ken, I believe you told me. When did I start it?
Oh, about 15 minutes ago, if that.
Did I?
Yeah.
Did I? Don't say that. Get me a bad name. If Polky Paul's watching this... Oh. It's alright, it's only Kenny's. So it didn't break. It's alright, there's nothing to see here. hold on. Got to make this last 2 hours, haven't I? Where's my fax? Waste a bit of time. He said 2 hours.
Yep.
I'll go and have a cup of coffee and a fag. I'll be back in a minute. We'll make it last 2 hours.